Hello my beautiful friends, my name is SASHA White, founder of iGodFace, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Purelift Pro. I have the plus one, the strongest one. So everywhere on the videos they just show how to move, but did you know that you should use exact levels on exact zones? Yeah, so let's go. For this beautiful tool, I'm using my favorite Lumiu, I don't know how to pronounce it correctly, calming gel. Absolutely amazing brand, no fragrances, no alcohol, incredible ingredients like hyaluronic acid, aloe, cucumber, and you can check here like a huge list of absolutely amazing things. First of all, this tool push these ingredients deeper to your skin, so make sure you use something that water based, so it can be a sheet mask or gel mask or this calming gel that I'm absolutely in love with, because if you are esthetician, for us the price for this huge bottle is just amazing. So I'm taking like a good amount and I put on this cheek. So I put gel on my face. Make sure that it's not like a cream. Do not try to push it deeper. You need to keep your face very, very wet. So that's how it works. Because if it's like almost dry, electric wave is not gonna work. So make sure you put like a thick amount on your cheeks. So the highest levels we're using on the mid level of the cheeks and on the jawline. Yeah, so I put, if you see, it's like almost not visible, so 10 level, like from 7 to 10 we're using here. All I'm doing is moving it, like make a contours. So again, by the jawline and till the middle of the cheek. Here, remember that second chin, it's not always fat, which I have also, it's weak muscle. Yeah, because when we look down a lot, tongue doesn't hold the muscle, and that's how the muscle dry. So that's what I do. Also, on the highest level, you can do temples right here. So they recommend to use tool around like 10 minutes on the whole face. So let's just move back and forth first 5 minutes. Try to count like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Move on other side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, on temples a little bit. And on repeat, first 5 minutes. Yes, and make sure that both you put on the skin, because if you're gonna try to move just with one, it's not gonna work. Yeah, so put 2. They also say that we can do on highest level by the neck, but I don't know why, but I don't do the neck with this tool. That's my own preference. You can try it. Again, highest levels from 7 till 10 we're using on the jawline and on the middle of the cheek. Let's go next. Good amount of gel I put on my forehead. A little bit on the eyebrows, kinda not on the eye but under the eyebrow, because I'm gonna also massage it. Then under the eyes. So under the eyes and on the forehead, we use level 1 or 2. So 1 or 2. Yeah, you for sure feel like, oh, it feels like almost nothing. But trust me, it works. It works. And the thing is that the skin here is much thinner. So that's only the level you can do. On the forehead, yeah, they show this like you should do like that, but listen, almost. So around eyes and forehead, we do level 1 or 2. 5 minutes beeping. So like that, you put one ball under the eyebrow and you go exactly by the muscle. Do not try to go by the eye, no way. Just under the muscle. Not under, by the muscle. So again, on the forehead and around eyes, level 1 or 2. Even if it feels not so strong, it works. Yeah? On the temples, you can go on the highest level by the forehead. Yeah? An area around eyes, level 1 or 2. And remember, good amount of gel to make this tool works. It's absolutely amazing one because they patented 3 different waves at the same time, so muscles never get used to, plus it goes deeper to your muscles and gives real training. So plus it made in Japan. It really works forever. The oldest one I have, I bought 3 years ago, and I don't know for how long it was used before me, because I bought it used one and it's still working. So really worth to spend money on this tool. So like this. If you have any questions, leave in comments, subscribe, like, check my Instagram, book your session with a face massage. I'm located in Brickell, Miami. Yours, Sasha White, iGodFace. Thanks for watching.